Rand is under pressure on the back of rolling blackouts and the Reserve Bank's looming decision on interest rates. The local currency has been edging closer to the 18 Rand mark against the US dollar. The last time it was at this level was in May of 2020. Just after midday, it was trading at 17 Rand 71.
On Thursday, the Reserve Bank will table the decision on its Monetary Policy Committee on the country's interest rates, while the US Fed is also expected to aggressively hike interest rates. One market analyst says the rand is under pressure due to multiple factors.
The rand itself, given that it's very sensitive to commodity prices, now later our commodity prices have not been doing well. That also had an impact on our rand, and not forgetting that Eskom itself is not helping the situation.
On Sunday, Eskom ramped up its rotational power cuts to stage 6. Although this has since been lowered to stage 5, there are concerns on the impact on the economy. Eskom says the power cuts are necessary in order to keep the lights on. Political analyst Daniel Silk says if the power crisis remains unresolved, the country could be headed for trouble.
If we continue to have this level of disruption to our ordinary lives, from a small business to larger business point of view, don't forget power blackouts add to the perilous state of our economy that showed a decline in terms of GDP in the last quarter, and it is expected that we will go into at least a second quarter of negative growth, meaning that we'll be in a recession.
At the same time, in a bid to boost capacity, on Monday, Eskom launched its power purchase program to secure 1,000 megawatts. It says this program will help ease the effects of the rolling blackouts. Nothando Makutulela, SABC News, Johannesburg.